to all the cabins at Boise State, including Monroe. You're watching the news from the Mountain State Press.
Good evening, Boise State. This is Tyler Joyce reporting for you on the Mountain State Press. Today we have a follow-up to the incidents that happened this evening. But first, we're going to get into the weather with Mr. Aiden Shipley.
Morning, Boise State. I'm Aiden Shipley. This is the weather. Tomorrow, it'll be a low of 66 with a high of 83 with a 65% chance of participation. And Saturday will be a low of 60% with a high of 82 and 0% chance of rain.
We received a statement from law enforcement concerning the shooting that happened in Lewis Cottage last night.
There was an altercation at Red Apple Tavern earlier that night, resulting in two males at the Red Apple Tavern. The individuals were involved in an altercation. They were escorted from the establishment. During a second altercation outside, one male was shot and pronounced dead. One suspect is in custody. The investigation is ongoing at the moment.
New information today about last night's car crash in Panhandle County. Sheriff Christian Seibold says he was first to arrive and found one man almost unconscious. Seibold says that EMS crews treated the victim for a broken neck.
EMS arrived soon after. Crowd came, got the crowd under control. That was my job. EMS pulled him out, set him against the tree. Turns out he had a broken neck.
Onlookers were concerned with the possibility of using unconventional treatment methods.
Do not come close
Wait,
to the emergency
can I ask a
services.
question? Is that lady holding a bottle full of pee?
Yep. Medical procedure, I'm not familiar. It's very possible.
They're feeding him pee to keep him alive.
Yep. No, that's not what they did.
Mountaineer Boise State this morning had a special guest who come to speak to us this morning. Miss West Virginia, Miss Courtney Bear, came to talk to us about what it's like to be in the competition for Miss America.
I've been to every West Virginia county. I've put on 32,000 miles in my car. Been to 225 appearances.
Today we got the privilege to interview our new governor about some of the things that he wants to do around here for Boise State. And what he told us is that he wants to put in a bunch of new bills that will benefit the present and future of Boise State.
And I hope to see some bills be passed, some bills supporting Boise State and the future of Boise State.
Good afternoon, it's Trey with your Sportscast. Today, we have a story about one of your fellow Boise State members who's actually starting up a boxing training session. Let's check that out. What is your plan for the boxing training organization you're putting together?
To basically make people know how to, throw hands, to defend, so on and so forth, Make sure that the knuckles also get hard too, because when you throw, when you first throw a hand or whatever, it's gonna hurt the knuckles, so on and so forth. You don't have full control even, but you just swing it, you don't really care, and that's why I'm here.
Thank you all so much for tuning in to Mountain State Press. Tune in tomorrow again for some more headlines, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night, and God bless you.